One of our core values is being innovative and creative. We understand that our customers have tight timelines, have a lot of things on their plate going on, so there's not a lot of time to be innovative and creative when you're trying to take costs out or you're just trying to survive in a manufacturing environment that is very fast-paced and very demanding by your customers. So we place a very high value on being creative. Why? Because we're made to be creative. We are created to work in that matter. So we put a high value on that. By using our creativity and using things like our advanced manufacturing tools, we're able to couple those together to produce designs and solutions in the additive manufacturing world that really push the envelope and exceed your expectations. So when we're able to take the time to test new ideas aside from when the actual parts and the projects are live, through that experimentation, through that creativity and innovation, we're able to develop the next generation products and next generation solutions that we can bring to our customers. What this does is push the boundaries of what's possible. We're now seeing today being able to realize things that weren't possible just a couple years ago or a couple months ago. So using that mindset and that creativity, we're able to continually push the limit. And this is what we put a very high value on for our company.